Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Yes, installing Windows on a Chromebook is possible but comes with challenges. This process, known as dual booting, allows you to choose between Chrome OS and Windows at startup. However, it's important to note that not all Chromebooks have the hardware capabilities to run Windows smoothly, and this modification could void your warranty. For those who are tech-savvy, tools like CloudReady or Parallels Desktop for Chromebook Enterprise offer pathways to run Windows applications without fully installing the OS. Always check your device's specifications and warranty conditions before proceeding.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.